soul origin, soul me. Dressing room. It's really pretty.
Or you can spa with your friend.
You gonna give me spa in here?
Hmm?
Rooms is a private residence.
Penthouses.
Yes. Fitness. No need to reserve.
Sawadee. So do people live here already?
Only 15%.
Oh, only 15 units.
Oh, no, 15 units.
Yeah.
15%.
Right. What's over here? Oh, bikes.
Man, that's all the stuff I know how to use.
Treadmill. What's in here? Ooh. Maybe like a yoga room. If you just want to stretch or something. Ooh. The main event. Welcome to Soul Origin, Soul Me. You said save that for last.
Yeah, can't start with the pool. Oh, this is a nice bathroom.
Handicap accessible.
What is the oxygen? So, oh, this is pretty.
And oxygen lounge.
Oh, humidifier. I need this for the bad pollution.
Yeah, the air is really good in here.
Do you want to try?
Yes.
นั่งขอลองได้ไหมขอลอง
It works.
โอเค
Uh-oh. Here she go, y'all. Intense. Uh-oh, there she go. Ooh.
I don't know what this stuff means. Oh, look.
It's tightening?
Yeah, it's like right under my back.
Free massage.
1, 2, 3. Yes. This one says rocking. I don't know what that means.
Maybe back and forth rocking. Ooh.
I didn't know.
feel relaxed.
I feel like that one movie when they experiment on people and they flip them upside down.
Steam room? Oh, like a sauna. Can we get in?
Y'all look at Lanasia. She a big kid. Now she really in the pool.
Get the view. I'm talking to the people. We up here, y'all. 23rd floor. Oh, more stairs. I'm out of shape. Okay. She was right though, so hot. I want to see. Sawadi. Oh, you could look down to the pool. What are these for? They're probably gonna put couches or something. He was hiding. I know, I didn't see it. I thought you meant like a worker. I mean like a person living here or something.
No, I can't. That's why I whispered it.
You know Thai people don't like sun. Look at them over there covering their faces.
Yeah, that's what she said. She said.
It died?
Oh my gosh, this guy was supposed to show me this apartment. And I came without him. How do I block him from my story?
Did he put you onto this one?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, how do I block him from my story?
Girl.
Hey y'all, I'm gonna chime in and try to make this make a little bit more sense very quickly. So this complex is actually a new build. So only 15% were actually purchased, not even rented at this time. So with that, majority of the complexes or the condos in Thailand are 100% pre-furnished. But with this one, if you find someone who's just now buying and they have an empty condo, sometimes they'll let you go ahead and put your own little creative spin on the interior, but on the owner's dime. So they showed us this model so that I could have an idea of what to put into her actual condo. So that's what we're discussing next couple clips. I just wanted it to make a little bit more sense.
Oh, that's why they said it wouldn't be done till March.
What does Sawadi mean?
Yeah, same.
You could do music.
Wow.
I watched the
in the
YouTube
shower?
Everything. Yeah.
Wow. Will the owner get a washer and dryer or no? Include?
Include.
Okay.
Include washing machine.
Okay.
So she
And
said.
the refrigerator.
Okay.
She said like I could help pick out like the couch and then the stuff upstairs and stuff. And then if it's like she'll give me a budget and I would get to pick the stuff.
Period.
Just say no.
Do you need two bed?
Oh, because she speaks Thai.
Your cousin? Really? Wow.
Yeah.
You can speak Thai, right?
Need knowing.
No.
Oh, to translate.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the closet.
Yes.
I'm coming. How do you like it? It's hard to like imagine the finished product.
Yeah. I like that this is closed.
This one's small up here. That other one you went was bigger. Maybe she has more. Do you want 2-bed?
No, it's just bigger.
Okay.
More space.
Okay. I like the closet. It's just like a jewelry box. Do you live in Bangkok?
Yes.
Oh.
And if you prefer, you can move in. But there is paper, so we can move and make a curtain. And we can design. You can design by yourself. The owner said, if you can design, you design for her. And if okay, it's on the budget. She is okay for you.
Okay.
You can buy and decorate for yourself.
Okay.
But I will show you that the interior that has the paper for decorating you.
Okay.
But we'll decorate next time, but do not sign contract now.
Okay.
But show that.
So you're gonna show me what she was gonna decorate?
Yes.
And then I can see.
Yes.
Okay.
But you can see and you say, oh, I can do this. I can decorate by myself, and you can move in and stay and decorate together. It's okay.
Okay. Okay.
He won't turn around. That dog.
He wants his money. Period.
Show them the rule.
And the zip,
Sit
double
on.
zip, yeah, sit like this. See, no problem. The other wheels cannot, like this here. When you sit on it, wheels go, see?
Yeah.
You gotta get up before you break it. We gotta get up.